I am Viti Patel, lecturer in the Computer IT department at LG Polytechnic. We will see subqueries in this tutorial. Let's start with the subquery. A subquery is a query within another SQL query and embedded within the where clause. Subquery is also known as an inner query or a nested query. A subquery is used to return data that will be used in the main query as a condition to further restrict the data to be retrieved. Subquery can return individual value or a list of records. Subqueries can be used with the select, insert, update and delete statements along with the operators like equal to, less than, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to, in, between and many more. A subquery is a query within another query. The outer query is called as main query and the inner query is called as subquery. The subquery generally executes first and its output is used to complete the query condition for the main or the outer query. Subqueries are on the right hand side of the comparison operators. Use single row operator with single row subqueries like equal to, less than, greater than, such that. Use multiple row operators with multiple row subqueries like in operator. There is no general syntax for subqueries. Subqueries are regular queries placed inside parentheses. Subqueries can be used in the different ways and at different locations inside a query. There are few rules that subqueries must follow. Subqueries must be enclosed within parentheses. A subquery can have only one column in the select clause unless multiple columns are in the main query for the subquery to compare its selected columns. And order by commands cannot be used in a subquery. Although the main query can use an order by, the group by command can be used to perform the same functions as the order by in a subquery. Subqueries that returns more than one row can only be used with multiple value operators such as the in operator. A subquery cannot be immediately enclosed in a set function. The between operator cannot be used with a subqueries. However, the between operator can be used within the subqueries. Let's see subqueries with the select statement. Subqueries are most frequently used with the select statement. Here is the basic syntax of the subqueries. Select, then list of columns separated by commas from table name. You can use more than one table separated by comma. Then you have to give column name in where clause with operator. Then you have to write a subquery in select statement. Here square bracket says that these are optional. You can use as per your requirements. Here enclosed query is the inner query which is a subquery and the statement containing a subquery is called a parent query or the outer query. A parent query depends upon the result of the subquery. There may be possible that subquery contains another subquery which is shown here. Have a look at this. Let's see subqueries with the insert statement. Subqueries also can be used with insert statements. The insert statements use the data returned from the subquery to insert into another table. The selected data in the subquery can be modified with any of the character, date or number functions. Here is the basic syntax for the subqueries with insert statement. Here highlighted statement is the subquery. Let's see subqueries with the update statement. The subquery can be used in conjunction with the update statement. Either single or multiple columns in a table can be updated when using a subquery with the update statement. Here is the basic syntax for subqueries with update statement. Here, highlighted statement is the subquery, which is used with the update statement. Let's see subqueries with the delete statement. The subquery can be used in conjunction with the delete statement like with any other statements we have seen in this tutorial. Here is the basic syntax for the subqueries with the delete statement. Here, highlighted statement is the subquery. There are some important questions available for this tutorial. Let's see them one by one. First question is, can inner query and outer query get data from the set table? Second question, can inner query in where clause contain order by? Next question, which statements or commands contain subqueries? And the last question, how many rows can a subquery return? You can write your answers into the comment section. In this tutorial, we have seen subqueries. We will see all this by performing practicals in the next tutorial. If you have any doubt or query regarding this tutorial, then you can write it into the comment section. If you want to watch another tutorials of this series, then link is available in the description box. If you like the video, then press on the like button and share the video. Stay tuned with us for watching new videos of this series. Thank you for watching this video.